Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to install Microsoft Clarity really quick. There's not much to it. It's very simple, very easy to install on your WordPress website or your website that's HTML based or go high level or whatever, right? Whatever type of software you're using, it's extremely easy. If you don't know what Microsoft Clarity is, it's basically like Hotjar, where it could record heat maps, session recordings. You get insights on page views, bots, like it connects to Google Analytics. It's just something you want on your website so that you can know what part of your website or landing page or whatever is actually converting, which call to actions are working, if people are clicking on the buttons. And so I mean, this is just a no-brainer. You should have this no matter what your website is, e-commerce, ClickFunnels, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to get straight into it. It's going to be a quick video. So the first thing that you want to do, oh, and also it's absolutely free. It costs nothing. Like there isn't even a paid plan. It's free forever, right? That's what they claim. And Hotjar, you can get up to some expensive plans with the similar service. So let's get it right into installing it. I'm not going to go over Microsoft Clarity. I'm just going to go directly into installing. So if you want to go over it, you can see it's a super powerful platform. It has all this insights. You can view live recordings, but that's for another video. This is just to install. Whoops. So we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to click new project and you're going to type in your name of your business, right? So we're going to do this right here and we're going to install it on this landing page that I designed. We're going to install it on here, and this uses WordPress. It's a beautiful landing page that I designed. You know, it has a VSL, perfect, super optimized on mobile as well. And if you can see right here, boom, beautiful for mobile. So this is a really good website to test Microsoft Clarity on because I want to see where they're clicking. Are they clicking on the video? Are they clicking on book a demo? Are they clicking on try for free for 30 days? So I want it to be installed on this landing page. So I went ahead and logged into WordPress because that website was built on WordPress. And we're going to go back to add a project and we're going to type in the URL. And you can just select the industry. I'm just going to put other and we're going to go forward. Okay, perfect. So now it's going to say go through all these steps that you want to complete, but we're just going to get straight into adding it. Right? And what I think this one actually, we're going to go here. This one actually has a plugin for WordPress. So we're going to go to add new plugin. We're going to type in Microsoft Clarity. Perfect. Yeah, and they have a plugin. So all you have to do is install it. This is super easy. You don't even have to get the JavaScript and throw it in the head tracking or the footer or anything like that. So I'm going to move this over here, and then we're going to go to Clarity. And now, since I'm already logged in, we're going to select the one we just did, click Continue. And that's it. That's how easy it was, right? It's over. We're done on WordPress. It honestly doesn't get easier than that. So now that it's installed, you're good to go. Data will continue to show within a few hours. It'll take a few hours for it to start working. If you use Cloudflare, go purge your caching. If you use a caching plugin on WordPress, you need to clear it, right? Or you might not have data for a few days until the cache clears. So if you're using a caching plugin on this landing page, I'm not using a caching plugin, so I don't need to do anything. But if I did, I would go and purge the cache for this website, all right? You want to install it manually, you can go back to Clarity, you can go to Setup, and then you can grab the Git tracking code right here. You're just going to copy that, and then bam, you could throw that in the heading or the footer of your Webflow or ClickFunnels or Go High Level or whatever, and then it's going to start updating the data. You can come back here, and now you can what's cool is you can actually connect it to Google Analytics. You can connect it to Google Ads. It's super powerful and it's free. So you need this installed. Do not wait. Get this installed and start seeing how your website and landing page is performing. So that's it. I'm not going to go over anything else. It's pretty self-explanatory to there. But now you know how to install it on your website or on WordPress, and boom, get it done. All right. Thanks, guys. See you next video.